This is the review question for question number 8. Turn to number 8 in your review packet. As I go through this, I'm looking at what the question is asking, and it is saying, what effect does cloud cover have on daytime temperatures during summer months in North Carolina? They very often attach North Carolina to questions because that's where we're from. They want you to understand the weather in your area. So let's think about that. How would cloud cover, let's see, a little quick cloud here, little Bob Ross, little happy trees, little happy cloud here in the sky. How would that affect summer temperatures? Well, if we had summer going on, there would definitely be this guy in the sky. A little happy sun here, little Bob Ross, a little happy sun. No mistakes, just happy accidents. All right, so if we have the sun, and we know that the sun has radiation, would that be able to penetrate the clouds as much? Well, the answer to that would be no. If it can't get through to the ground, and we know that radiation is how the sun heats up the earth, it seems like the temperatures would be cooler. So, cloud cover decreases temperatures in the daytime. Daytime. That is correct. I like that answer. Cloud cover increases temperatures. So let's see if this makes sense. Less sun means it's hotter. No, that one doesn't make any sense at all. Cloud cover causes temperatures to change rapidly. Well, if the cloud just all of a sudden appeared, then yes, that would be true. But you know, clouds build slowly over time through evaporation and condensation, so I don't think it would change it rapidly. Cloud cover causes temperatures to rise and fall constantly. So we have temperatures going up, temperatures going down, temperatures going up, temperatures going down. Not unless the clouds are blinking in and out of the sky. I'm here, I'm not here. That one doesn't make any sense. If the sun rays can't get through, it does make sense that cloud cover decreases temperatures.